a short one. This is going to be mounting a headlight guard on the Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer. It's a 2023. And as you see, you think, geez, why do you need to put a headlight guard on something like that? On the way home, I don't know if it's visible in the camera or not, when I very first purchased this, massive scratch across the front of it from a tumbleweed. So you do need to protect these, because as you look it up, I'll put a link in the description. The only the only reseller I've seen for this that's in stock, it's $1,000. So there are a number of options, and the one I liked, the one I preferred, is from Hepco Becker, German manufacturer. Makes a nice headlight guard, and really simple. It's 2 bolts at the top, 2 bolts at the bottom, done. So let's give this a shot, and should go pretty fast. So before you can access the bolts where you mount the top 2 positions, you have to raise the windscreen, and it's these 2 bolts here. Pop that off. I don't need to make all that noise. And 1 and 2, and then you fit this. It slides right over. It's probably a good idea. If you notice, you have a little bit of a, it's going to be hard to get to these after they're done. I mean, of course, you're going to get more bug stuff in there later, but anyway, this slides right over. When I first tried to do this, this one was not aligned, so it got bent a little bit in shipping, so I had to very carefully bend this one up so that these 2 were even, and now it goes on just fine. And actually, I'm going to get a little thread locker just to be prudent here, and put a little dab on the first one. Run it through the washer. And this is the 4 mil, or the whatever, Allen key, and get that started. Same thing with the other. Little dab. And get this one started. Just gonna leave these loose so that we can be sure that we get the bottom ones aligned. Verify that, yep, still closes. It's kind of important. And then we have these little fellas on the bottom. And actually, let me reorient the camera so we can see the bottom a little better. Lucky for us, well, not luck, it's, I'm sure, some, you know, these are a couple of bolt holes down here that are just unused and just part of the bike. So the headlight guard takes advantage of that. Maybe it's for, if the OEM, well, the OEM one is plastic. I'm not exactly sure why they're there, but regardless, they're there. So simple enough. We take, once again, a little dab of thread lock and feed the bolt in through the back. There we go. And just like that, the first one's in. We'll do the same thing for the other side. And okay. Is this one a little harder to reach back here, maybe? Or is it just because I'm not left-handed? There we go. Come on. I'm just trying to get it to line up with the threads on the actual, there we go. Gotcha. Okay, so that's all four. Looks like it's lined up pretty good. If we bring this back up and pull our work cart away. So from here, it's just a quick tightening of all the bolts. I might even press up on it a little bit on this side, bend it a little bit more to get it up a little higher, but make sure that the alignment looks good. But that is the Hepco and Becker Headlight Guard for the 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer. Hope this was useful for you, and hopefully it'll prevent any $1,000 light bulb replacement issues. Might make it a little tricky to get the bugs guts out of there, but so be it. So enjoy your riding.